Look around any modern city. Millions of people are moving, trading, arguing, and building simultaneously. It's a constant, overwhelming blur of activity. Observed without a specific framework, this daily rush appears completely random, a chaotic series of disconnected events. To organize this data, we use an analytical framework called social studies. It functions as an operating system for human behavior, processing raw observations to explain our core needs, our values, and the logic behind our actions. This system maps our two primary connections: how we interact with the natural environment and how we relate to our broader society and nation. We cannot guess how these complex relationships function. To accurately pinpoint our reality, we rely on four specific analytical coordinates. The first coordinate is history. This timeline investigates the mechanics of the past. What actually happened? When did it occur? How did it unfold, and why? History tracks the specific characters and chronological events that built the physical foundations of the cities we inhabit today. Once the timeline is set, we need the second coordinate, geography. This lens answers the physical questions. Where is a location? What is the environment like? And how do people and goods move across it? This map displays the Arabian Peninsula and its position relative to the surrounding landmasses. By analyzing the geography, we see that Saudi Arabia is located directly in the heart of the globe. Combining the when of history and the where of geography establishes the immutable stage upon which a society operates. With the stage set, humans face the immediate challenge of survival. This brings us to the third coordinate, economics. It is built on practical questions: how do I work to earn, and how do I spend? An economy functions as a massive machine. It relies on the extraction of natural resources, evolving from traditional labor to the modern industrial rig, to drive national production and daily consumption. Once physical survival is secured, a population must organize itself. The fourth coordinate is citizenship. This forces a society to answer existential questions. Who are we together, and what rules will govern us? A civic identity is constructed from a structured system of government, shared heritage, and recognizable national symbols like the green flag. Economics dictates how a nation manages to survive day to day, while citizenship defines who they choose to be while doing it. These four coordinates are inseparable. An economy is built on geography, and civic identity on history. They lock together into a single matrix. Applying this framework to reality generates a clear picture of our global standing.
Saudi Arabia occupies a unique position on the map, serving as the deep historical and religious anchor for the entire Arab and Muslim world. The physical proof is in these massive crowds. This land is the site of divine revelation and the permanent Qibla for Muslims globally. The Qibla is the fixed direction that Muslims face during their daily prayers, pointing toward the Kaaba in Mecca. Mastering these four coordinates transforms abstract information into a practical blueprint. It empowers citizens to use their knowledge of history, geography, and economics as the active foundation for building their nation's future.